We're at the Fontainebleau Las Vegas, Suite 5051, on the 50th floor, and wait till you see this view. First up, the bathroom, all marble with a massive walk-in shower and tons of space. Total spa vibes. Out of the bathroom, there's a sleek desk and a mirror with a mini fridge and a second fridge for your own stash. I love that detail. The bedroom is bright, modern, and super spacious. And yes, that sphere view steals the show. You can literally watch it glow from bed. Fontainebleau Suite 5051, modern, luxurious, and totally Bougie Blonde approved. Hit like and subscribe for more luxury stays.